Good evening folks, 21st Century Caveman here. Hope everybody's safe, hope everybody's well. Now I don't know about you guys, but I hate the winter months. I hate the long, cold, dark days, and I do get very depressed. I don't have a lot of energy or motivation. So we're now in the early part of October and winter's just around the corner. So with this in mind then, I've actually bought some products that will actually give me some little projects just to keep my mind occupied but nice and calm. So I've already done an unboxing of some acrylic paints, and this is the second object which I'm unboxing then. So this is a B-Way hot melt glue gun. Now this is a very powerful glue gun. It's 100 watts. Now I bought this the other week from Amazon for £14 because it was on special offer. Now there are nearly 2,200 ratings on Amazon for this, which gives it an overall rating of 4.5 stars, so it does inspire confidence. This comes with a lovely quality hard shell carrying case, and I was really surprised, but this is a really nice quality item, and that suggests to me that if the case is as good as that, then the actual item itself should be a very good quality indeed. Now I'm not going to discuss the minutiae of all the specs, but what I can tell you is this heats up within 3 to 5 minutes. It's got a copper nozzle. It's got an adjustable wire stand, which I don't think is going to be a lot of copper, if I'm particularly honest with you. It just doesn't seem particularly stable, so I'm pretty sure I'm going to have to modify that in some way. Also, it comes with 30 glue sticks, which are 11.2mm by 150mm. These are super strong adhesive. The cable length is 1.4 meters, so it's not a bad length actually, and obviously you can put an extension lead on that. And the package size is 195mm by 165mm by 38mm. So, you know, this looks like a really good quality little item which I purchased at a very good price. I've got some little tasks lined up, as I say, just to keep myself occupied, and I envision coming into the man cave with nice cafe chair full of nice hot coffee, get the place nice and warm, and just to basically lock myself away and to find some nice little projects to work on. Anyway, thank you very much indeed for joining me. I'll catch you soon. Bye bye.